Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more.
Hi guys, well today I'm gonna show you twist out, perfect twist out. Well, this is for 1 week, this is for 1 week doings, and I'm gonna show you the twist out now. So guys, first of all, I wash my hair freshly wash, shampoo and condition, and I'm going to I use these stuff. And with here, I use the Eco Styling Gel Curl and Wave, curl and wave, and I use this Sheer Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enchanted Smoothie. And I also use almond oil to oil the ends. Just simple like that. All of these. A link for these guys can be found in the description box. Okay. Well, as you can see, it is already twist. 1 week ago, I rocked this style for 1 week. So I'm about now to show you the twist out. Okay, guys? I do it like, see like this, guys. I twist it like this way back to get it. First of all, guys, you have to put, first of all, guys, I put a little of this oil on my hand, the palm of my hands, like this so. Just a small amount. Like so. And then, so the ends is not nutty, right? Not trashy. This air will cause it not to freeze. Okay? You can use any oil of your choice, but I use the olive oil, the almond oil. Exactly. switching up so you guys can see.
Your 2-month-old son to help you prove you were faithful to the man you say is his father. Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Singleton, you argue that Ms. Jefferson is not to be trusted or believed. Yes, Your Honor. And you contend that not only did she once lie about being 7 months pregnant, but you claim you also have physical proof that 2 other men could have fathered her. Yes, Your Honor. Additionally, Ms. Jefferson, you are suing the defendant for $2,000. You claim Mr. Singleton took baby clothes and furniture from you without her knowledge or consent, just 3 weeks before you gave birth to your son. That's correct. So, Ms. Jefferson, let's start with the $2,000 in baby items you claim Mr. Singleton took unlawfully. What happened? Okay, 3 weeks prior to that, me and Mr. Singleton had got into it. It was about some Facebook stuff I seen on his page. So I asked Mr. Singleton, when he go, take all his clothes and don't come back. So I was at my sister's house. So I went to the doctor. They said my pressure was up. So they was like, due to preeclampsia, you're gonna have to have your baby early. Okay, so I was in the hospital. I had my baby. It was 3 days. We had to stay in the hospital for 3 days.
Guys, this is the first time doing twist out. So far, I'm loving it. First time guys doing twist out. I'm loving it. So you can subscribe and like.